Did you know that potatoes might actually be good for your teeth? Stick around as we explore how this humble food can play a role in your dental wellness. In the quest for better dental health, many of us focus on conventional foods known for their benefits, like dairy products and crunchy fruits. However, potatoes are emerging as an unconventional ally in maintaining strong teeth. Rich in essential nutrients, they may offer surprising benefits for oral health. In this video, we'll delve into the potential of potatoes to strengthen your teeth and improve your overall dental hygiene. There are several misconceptions surrounding dental health and nutrition. Many people believe that only certain foods can contribute to strong teeth, often overlooking the nutritional value of potatoes. While they are primarily known for their carbohydrate content, potatoes also contain vitamin C and B6, potassium, and magnesium, nutrients that play a vital role in maintaining healthy gums and teeth. Recent studies suggest that the antioxidants found in potatoes can help combat inflammation in the mouth, which is crucial for preventing gum disease. Additionally, the fiber content in potatoes may aid in cleaning teeth naturally by stimulating saliva production, which helps wash away food particles and neutralize acids. Experts have begun to recognize the benefits of incorporating potatoes into a balanced diet for oral health. For instance, a study highlighted that foods rich in vitamin C can help strengthen gum tissue and reduce the risk of periodontal disease. Given that potatoes contain this vital nutrient, they could be a valuable addition to your dental care routine. One compelling piece of evidence regarding potatoes and dental health comes from research conducted by nutritionists who explored the impact of various foods on oral hygiene. The study found that participants who included more potassium-rich foods, like potatoes, in their diets exhibited healthier gums compared to those who did not. Potatoes are also high in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and combat bacteria associated with gum disease. A surprising finding from this research indicated that consuming baked or boiled potatoes could lead to improved oral health outcomes due to their ability to stimulate saliva production and promote a healthy pH balance in the mouth. Furthermore, a case study involving individuals who incorporated potatoes into their diets showed a decrease in plaque buildup and improved gum health over time. These findings challenge common perceptions about what constitutes a tooth-friendly diet and highlight the potential role of potatoes in strengthening teeth. To harness the potential dental benefits of potatoes, consider incorporating them into your meals in practical ways. Enjoy baked potatoes topped with healthy options like Greek yogurt or cottage cheese instead of sour cream for added protein and calcium. Make mashed potatoes with minimal butter or cream. You can even mix in some garlic or herbs for added flavor without compromising their health benefits. Create a nutritious potato salad using boiled potatoes mixed with olive oil, vinegar, and fresh herbs. This dish is not only tasty, but also provides essential nutrients beneficial for dental health. Add potatoes to soups or stews. This way, you can enjoy their benefits while also getting other nutritious ingredients. By incorporating these simple recipes into your diet, you can enjoy delicious meals while potentially supporting your dental health at the same time. In conclusion, while potatoes may not be the first food that comes to mind when considering dental health, they offer several advantages worth exploring. Their rich nutrient profile, including vitamins C and B6, combined with their antioxidant properties, can contribute positively to oral hygiene by promoting healthy gums and reducing inflammation. However, it's important to remember that while potatoes can be beneficial, they should be part of a balanced diet alongside other tooth-friendly foods such as dairy products, leafy greens, nuts, and crunchy fruits. Maintaining proper oral hygiene practices, like regular brushing and flossing, remains essential for optimal dental health. Incorporating potatoes into your meals can provide additional support for your teeth while enjoying their delicious taste. So next time you prepare a meal, consider adding this versatile vegetable to enhance both flavor and nutrition. Have you ever thought about how potatoes might benefit your teeth? Share your experiences or thoughts on this topic in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on food and health. Don't forget to check out my other videos focused on nutrition and wellness.